Alrighty, so the mousse recipe is 80 milliliters jasmine tea, 30 milliliters heavy whipping cream. You got about 5 grams of sugar. Got the egg whites. Now here's where it gets a little bit particular. I have 1.1 grams of guar gum, 5.5 grams of acacia gum. This is for texture reasons. And then I'm gonna use 1/8 teaspoon, teeny tiny amount of agar to kind of help everything set, since I don't have any gelatin. Also pre-chill the serving glasses. All right, so now you throw the jasmine tea in a small kind of saucepan here. Turn it on kind of like low medium, kind of a 3-4-ish. So what we're gonna do now is activate the agar, the 1/8 teaspoon of agar. And so while it's warming up, we're gonna add it in and whisk at the same time. Now I can't record this because I don't have 2 hands, but I'm about to do that now. So after slowly adding the powder and whisking it all in until it dissolves, you're gonna wanna let it get warm, and you want it to get it to where it bubbles. Once it starts to bubble, that's how you know it is near activation temperature, which is like 190, 202 degrees, basically boiling. So yeah, you want to kind of get it to where it's near boiling, if not rolling boil. Alrighty, so while that is coming to a boil, we then take the 5 grams of sugar and whisk it in with the egg whites till it looks something like this. I might whisk it a little more to get it a little more firm when it gets time, but I just wanted to show this for demonstration. So let's throw the heavy whipping cream in its own bowl, separate from the egg whites. This is where we're also gonna put the jasmine tea once it gets ready. It's almost ready. Cool, so you want it to get something like this, where it's kind of boiling, bubbling over there on the sides there. I might let it go for 1 minute like this, so that way if all the agar gets activated by all the heat. All right. Let it chill for a good minute, but not for too long, so that way it doesn't start setting. The reason is to let it cool down so it doesn't get too hot when you incorporate it in. All right, after whisking the jasmine tea into the whipping cream, we slowly add the gums, the guar gum and the acacia gum. I'm gonna do that now. And then final step, you whisk in the whipping cream jasmine tea into the egg whites. Pour into the serving glass and then put it in the fridge and let it set for at least an hour.